What is up, guys? TSD reviews and stuff back here with another video. So today I have with me an Octopus stand which is around 13 inches, and the name of the stand is Tygot 13-inch flexible gorilla pod tripod, but I like to call it Octopus stand. And it was worth around 600 rupees, which is around $10 US. So actually it's pretty cheap. So I bought this from Amazon.in, as you can see, Amazon. So let's get on with this unboxing. There you go. Okay, this is your bill. I don't need that. Okay, so as you can see, Tygot, and the original price is 2,000 rupees, which is around $15 US. But I got it for 600 rupees, which is pretty good. But the packaging is pretty decent. I mean, it's nothing special. It's just a normal plain cardboard box. But I didn't expect anything special out of this because how cheap this thing was. Okay. And there it is. It's around the same size as that of what I expected, which is okay. I mean, I guess it's a little smaller than what I expected, but let's just open this up and see how it actually looks like. So this is your mount on which you will mount your phone, and this is just a plain screw on which you can just mount your DSLR. Okay, first impressions. Oh, these are okay. These are stiff. Yeah, these are pretty stiff, which is a good sign. Yeah. Well, this is great. This is great. So the reason I bought this was because I wanted different viewing angles when I was shooting my videos, because I couldn't get it. So this one is looking pretty good. Let's just check this out. Okay, looks good. Looks good. So you can adjust it all any way you want, or as a matter of fact, you can hang it like somewhere like that. I don't know, you need a rating for that, but I think it looks pretty good. Let's just try this out. But first of all, I want to see, this is the most important part. Oh, thank God. Yes. So the reason I was skeptical on going with any of these was because I wasn't sure on whether this thing would actually, move at all angles, especially the top. But it does, which is a pretty good thing. So I'll install the looks okay. I mean, it looks a lot more sturdier than what is on this present stand on what I'm using. So as you can see, it will expand like that, and I'm pretty sure it will fit my phone. So I'm just gonna install it on here. I think that's how you do it. I have no idea. I'm doing this for the first time, guys. Okay. There you go. Let me just get this a little straighter. Yeah, that looks good. So let me just try my phone. It's right here. So all you have to do is just put your phone. 1 second, let me get a better viewing angle. So all you have to do is put your phone in like that. I think it fits great. Hold up. Yeah, it fits pretty well actually. I have to test this out, but it's looking pretty good actually. Let's just see if it can rotate all the way down. I want it to be completely horizontal, and it does. You might need to adjust the legs for the balancing, but it looks pretty good. Now it's a little short, right? That's one thing to note. This is a little short, and this is 13-inch I ordered, and I might need to use a table or rack, something like that, just to give it that kind of height. But I needed this because at certain angles the traditional stand won't give you a lot of angles. You have to use this kind of stand. I'd like to call this Octopus, as I mentioned before, and I mean, it looks pretty good. First impressions, I like it. And as you can see, there's a little lever here. I don't know if you can see that. This one, I think that's to pull this out. And yes, there you go. So this thing's out. Pull this back in. Okay. Actually, I really like this. I'm impressed. First impressions, I like this. Alright. Let me see how and what areas I can actually use this. But yeah, the build quality on this is pretty good. These white structures, these are actually rubber, and the rest is plastic. But it actually, I think this is a pretty useful thing, and this is exactly what I needed. Alright, let me just adjust this. There you go. I'll learn it. I'll just give it a few tries, and I'm definitely going to love this because the way it works, I think it's a go. Yeah. So overall, I think this is a pretty good stand for the money. Are there better stands than that? I'm not sure because I haven't used them, but they pretty much look, each of them look pretty much exactly the same. It's just that it's a different company. But if you're looking for a stand that you can put it anywhere like you want, like for example on a railing or on some places which are difficult to actually difficult to accommodate a stand, a traditional stand, then this is one of the things you should get. This is really handy, and I can already see this being used in many of my future videos because this thing, I like it. First impression is great. So this was my little unboxing on this Octopus stand. If you want this, I'll throw the link up in the description, and you can follow me on Instagram by the username tsd_reviews, or follow me on Twitter, tsd reviews and stuff. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Before I wrap up this video, guys, check this out. Is this insane or what? Man, this stand is the best. You guys should definitely order this one. This stand is insane. Man, I love this.